The beat dropped, the creativity flowed, and Waco's first ever hip-hop architecture camp took place at the Bledsoe-Miller STEAM Center. Throughout the week, students entering 6th through 9th grade combined music, architecture, and design to imagine what Waco's future could look like. From building architectural models and designing digital spaces, to writing original songs and premiering their own music video, these young creators proved that inspiration can come from anywhere. The camp, made possible through a partnership between the City of Waco, Bledsoe-Miller STEAM Center, Transformation Waco, architect Michael Ford, and his firm Brand New Design Studio, gave students a chance to express themselves and explore exciting career possibilities. It was a week full of creativity, collaboration, and a glimpse into Waco's future, designed by its next generation. 5 businesses were selected to receive the latest round of Corridor Beautification Incentive Grants. 3 grants will go to existing local businesses: El Pueblo Parties, a party rental, event venue, and dress shop at 2500 Gorman Avenue; Triple R Custom Upholstery and Interiors at 3612 North 19th Street; and From the Top, a dance studio at 4304 West Waco Drive. Another grant will go to the Donut Hole, located at 3903 North 19th Street. Another grant will be used for new awnings at the Centerpoint Shopping Center at 5200 Waco Drive, owned by Vanawan Canoga LLC, to attract new tenants and customers with the renovation. With the Corridor Beautification Incentive Program, the City of Waco and each business will split the cost for exterior improvements up to $48,000 total for the 5 locations, with each business using their own funds to match their grant amount. The beautification program focuses on portions of selected streets to increase the aesthetic appearance and economic vitality of these high-priority gateway corridors. Visit waco-texas.com/CBIP to learn more about the program. Big things are happening in Waco Parks, with major projects continuing to make progress across the city. At Alice Martinez Rodriguez Park, crews are building new sports courts, expanding pathways, and installing utilities. The former Hart-Patterson Track and Field Complex is also getting a fresh start as the newly renamed Gilbert Sanchez Track and Field Complex. Over at China Spring Park, construction is right on schedule, with new trails, playground features, sports courts, and utilities all coming together. And at Chapel Park, work is officially underway on a brand new splash pad and pavilion. The park will stay closed during construction, but it's on track to reopen this fall. From new places to play to improved neighborhood spaces, Waco's parks are growing right alongside our city,